Have you ever wondered what happens when health meets flavor? Today, let's dive into the world of quinoa kale salad, a nutritious powerhouse. Begin by rinsing a cup of quinoa and cooking it in 2 cups of water until light and fluffy. Meanwhile, chop fresh kale, massaging the leaves gently with olive oil to tenderize and enhance the flavor. Next, dice some ripe tomato, cucumber, and red onion for a burst of color. Combine all ingredients in a bowl, adding a handful of nuts and seeds for crunch. For the dressing, whisk together lemon juice, olive oil, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and a touch of honey. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and toss the salad until evenly coated. Quinoa is rich in protein and fiber, making it a fantastic base for this dish, while kale offers an incredible dose of vitamins K, A, and C. Together, they provide a delightful mix of taste and health benefits, perfect for a balanced diet. Enjoy this vibrant salad and feel the nourishment with every bite.